What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick little tool haul, some funnels and stuff that I picked up from O'Reilly's O'Reilly's, as Derek from Vice Grip Garage always says. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I got a tool haul here. Picked up a bunch of funnels from O'Reilly's. I always put a large, comprehensive set of funnels in each video, or in each vehicle, not video. So I picked up a bunch of funnels. It's hard to find funnels in certain places around me. Walmart usually doesn't have funnels, neither does, oh, my light just dropped off the map. So Walmart usually doesn't have funnels very often. They're pretty hard to find. AutoZone normally doesn't have funnels around me either, neither does Napa. I did go into O'Reilly's looking for something, found that they have a bunch of funnels, so I went and picked up a bunch of flow tool funnels. So I'll pull what I put, and most of these are like 2 of each. I did buy 2 new vehicles, 2000 limited 4x4 4Runner, as well as a 1997 lifted on 40-inch mud tires 1997 4Runner, limited 4x4 as well. I'm pretty sure I said that kind of odd. Apologize. 1997 limited 2-tone desert dune and metallic millennium silver 4-wheel drive 4Runner, and a 2000 model, same desert dune color with the blue metallic silver. And that one, they both have e-lockers and everything. So I pick up 2 of these funnels. I use these a lot for transmissions. Use them a lot for even transporting fluid from one container to another. I picked up 2 of these little 3-piece sets. These are super funnel trios from Flow Tool. They are attached. Get that off. So you get this kind of shorty style funnel. This you can use in radiators. You can use it for, so this yellow one is classified as a radiator funnel. This blue one, it shows on here, it shows multi-purpose funnel. And then the red one is a super quick fill funnel because it's got a large mouth. I use these on 4Runners a lot, this style funnel, because they actually fit better for filling the oil. Picked one of these. I actually have 3 of these separate. I didn't realize that was coming in it. So this one right here says big mouth funnel. Didn't realize I bought 3 of these separate, but they're only like 40 cents for these, so it's not really a big deal to have extras. But this is the exact same funnel. I didn't even notice, wasn't paying attention, but so I picked up 2 of these sets right here. And I'm going to put one of these plus one of these large ones, plus one of these silver ones right here, in each truck, the new trucks. So just a funnel haul. So here's the other 3-pack set. That's how they were put in, just like that. 3-pack sets. And I always leave them in the vehicle, since I ended up buying, 3 of these. I'll put these in, take these to a couple shops, leave one in the house or for whatever reason if they're needed. But usually, and then I usually use these Usually keep one of these in the vehicle in case I'm off-roading and I run out of gas. I have my gas cans on my overlanding rig. I can always just stick this into the gas filler and then pour gas in. Use these for other things as well. They work good for diff filling for certain applications, but these are the super multi-purpose funnels. These will work on certain transmissions if you need to fill through the dipstick as well, or if you need to get down into like certain newer vehicles, you have to fill the transmission from a plug on top. So you have to literally go down, like down here, and then the engine bay is up here. Some master cylinders need to be filled down low as well. So, you know, they're all different funnels. They all work great. I've been using these silver ones as well as these 5-quart funnels for ages. I usually leave one of these in here. It's a giant quick fill funnel. It's got a giant hole. These work amazing. You could just tip a 5-quart container. And the other thing is these also have little filters taped in them. If you want to use the filter, you can just put the filter down here and it will filter some things out. Just, you know, quick video. They're all flow tool funnels. I've been using them for 10 plus years. I love these funnels. And it never hurts to have extras anyways. So one of these sets, you know, one of each is going to stay in the house, and then the other set, because I actually, when I bought the 2000 Limited, I actually took the set that I had in the house that I always go and grab when I'm working on vehicles. I usually come in the house, grab that set, go outside. Well, I put that set in the 2000 Limited, so I'm going to replace one of each of these in the tool closet and the oil closet. And the other one is going to go straight into the 1997 4Runner. Just a quick video. Got lots and lots of funnels. But you know, you guys always have options. This right here was like 30 bucks. It wasn't really that expensive for everything I picked up. Not expensive at all. And I wanted to share it with you guys. Maybe you guys are looking for decent funnels and, you know, you're not really sure where you should go. So this is an option for you guys. A flow tool makes some pretty decent, well-made funnels. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!